very easy way to raise the property value of your home currently is to smartify your house. There are a lot of ways of doing it. Most people go with either using an Alexa or whatever Google's is. I think it's Siri. I don't remember. I just bought the Amazon Echo to see how it will do. Before we go on, don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some very nice hats. There are some limited time hats there. Don't miss them out. So this currently, while it is the size of what I would say is a Pokeball, currently is going for about 20, 30 bucks right now. I usually see it around 40. Has 4 buttons on top. A volume button for making it not as loud or making it louder, power button, and then an off button for the microphone. And there is a touch aspect to this to turning off the microphone as well. The back has a 3.5 jack, 3.5 millimeter jack, and a power inlet. The 3.5 millimeter jack, I imagine, is to connect it to either speakers or a microphone. I actually don't know. Is that in the instructions? It is a line out, so that would be to a speaker. There are also, and I didn't notice this before, LEDs all around here to show that it's on, it's muted, or that it's listening / talking. My grandfather has quite a bit of these around his house to help control his stuff. You let that sink in there. My grandfather's in his 70s and was a brick mason. Not a brick mason. He worked at a pulp mill. And he is very capable of doing this kind of stuff. So it shows how easy smartifying your house can be. Then you get to Linus Tech Tips, who, in fairness to him, is doing it a very specific way because he doesn't want to pay for a service. And I understand that. So I haven't set this up yet. The first thing you have to do, though, is download Amazon Alexa. Plug this in. I imagine they're going to pair together, and then you can go from there. So we're going to do that. This should be fun. All right, it's been a couple of days. I know it's looks a little different. I just got it set up. Billy's plugged in. Let's start setting this up. It's already started telling me it's all ready to set up, so let's just get into the app. Welcome to Alexa. I agree. First things first, like design protecting privacy. Okay. Yes. Sure. I will allow the location. Only while using the app. I need to turn on Bluetooth for this. All right, it's searching for the device. Cool. It is an Echo Dot. Yes. It is displaying an orange light. There we go. It's very loud.
Echo is ready.
I'm assuming you guys heard that. This is very loud for setting up. It's all English. So the languages, the main recommended ones they have is English, Spanish, English or Spanish, Spanish or English, and they do have a few dozen other languages. The Echo Dot is in my bedroom for now. It will get changed if I don't like this. That is my name. Thank you. I like how it gives me hear how it sounds. It nailed it. Good job. Set up voice ID. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Alexa, add... There we go.
I put there we go on your shopping list.
Okay. So I can also set it up to call people on my phone.
New message.
Alexa, who's the message from?
One for Stephen. From Stephen. Now you can call and message friends and family with supported Alexa-enabled devices. Enable drop-in to use your Echo devices like an intercom. Received just now.
Alexa, delete that message.
To delete messages, use the Alexa app.
See, this is why I think I should be able to do that now. But okay, that's everyone for now. Done. So it walks you through at least everything you need to know about how setting this up, which is really good.
Hey there. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try.
I do
You can
wish.
say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
I really wish it would shut up sometimes.
Okay. If you want this introduction later, just say, Alexa, help me get started. Or, check out the Alexa app for
Mute.
some things to try.
Thank you. So there's a lot you can do with this. You can add stuff to shopping. You can check out with stuff on this if it's connected to your Amazon account, which it kind of needs to be to work with this. Listen to music, make phone calls, alarms. And this is all stuff that you probably know already. That is the default sound, by the way, for how loud it is, and it's about 2 feet away from me, so I might turn that down. So if you go under devices, you can see what devices you have, as well as all the groups of devices you have, depending on if you want to change something in those groups. Like, for instance, move the Echo Dot I have currently from the bedroom to the living room. I can choose up music to play and what radio channel to get them from. Doesn't look like there's a way to delete messages, but I can look at that later. Just like everything else, it does give you options for how notifications work, things like that. I would probably recommend making sure that the GPS is probably off, closed off to the app, unless you need it for certain things. Just because I don't like the idea of Amazon knowing where I am every day. While I do like these kinds of devices, I'm not that trusting. Oh, that's cool. So on the home page, you can, any of the things that it reminds you can do, for instance, streaming services, calls, alarms, reminders, timers, you can remove from that as well if you don't want to see those. It does also, when you start, give you tutorials on how to use the app, which is very helpful for those who are newer to this, and that would probably be a good idea to read those if you're starting this. But that'll be the end of my video for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below for the merch. Go get t-shirts, hats, jackets, and more. If you guys enjoyed this video, go check out my review go check out the unboxing for this great mouse from Pwnage. It's honestly been really nice to me, and I cannot wait to try more stuff with it. Currently, it's the backup mouse I have for whenever my main peripheral mouse dies. The weight difference is a little fun. But thank you guys again for tuning in, and have a good day.